Good. We are going to talk about exchange platform and how to use them. During the after the last lecture, I instructed all of us to go to some link so that you can prepare yourself. Today I'm going to talk about two platforms which are local platform, and after this lecture today we are going to move to international platform. So in the international platform, it's like I will guide you guys how to open the account. And today we are, after I showed you all the two platforms we are going to use today, I will explain to you. Then if you have not opened the account with them, you just need to open it, because I think after this lecture, maybe after this lecture and the next one, we are going to move straight to trading. So now I'm going to go to Luno. Then I'm going to talk about AltcoinTrader. These are the two platforms I normally use, but AltcoinTrader is in about 7 countries or more. But Luno is about 7 countries or more. AltcoinTrader is a pure local exchange in South Africa. So let's quickly sign in to my account. Then I think I need, second factor authenticator. Then the second factor authenticator you are going to use, I'm going to explain to you today, because you must not use Google Authenticator, and I will explain the reason why Google Authenticator is not okay. Just give me a few minutes. Let me quickly pick my phone. Yeah, okay. So let me first of all sign into this account by using my second factor authenticator. Let me search for it. This 826238. So it's good for all of us to make sure we have two-factor authenticator. Then let me log into my Luno. So then my Luno is 021334. Okay, good. So I have account with these two platforms, and I have account with Luno Nigeria. So today I'm going to just give us some brief examples how to use the platform. And if you have not created the account, you have to create the account, and you have to go to the link I gave before to study all these platforms. All these platforms, I already have their videos. because I've been training people on this every time. So I have some videos that you can check at your own convenient time. So this is how the Luno platform look like. This is how it look like. And if you look at it properly, the red side is order book. Everything here is order book. Everything you are seeing, both red and green, is order book. Please, you have to check, you have to look carefully on the screen. If your internet is weak, it will blur. You may not hear me properly. But if your internet is okay, you see everything properly. That's why you have to have pen and paper to jot some things down. All these red price are for sellers, while all these green price are for buyers. If you see the middle, there's one spread. The spread, this one spread means if you deduct 159,430, this buyer's price, if you deduct it from the lowest seller, which is 159,431, is going to give us spread of 1. That's how they got that one. Each platform has different arrangements. So that is why I normally take my time to explain, because these are the platforms we are going to use locally when we start trading. And we must understand everything. Otherwise, we are going to make a mistake. Then, if you look at recent trades, these are the trades that have been executed within 24 hours on Luno. You see, this is not all, but these are the few they can refill. And if you see 24 hours volume, that means Luno they have traded 323 Bitcoin on Luno today. So, and if you come to this open order shows the order that is still pending. It has not been executed. If you come to trade, these are the order that we have traded that has been executed. So these are the order that has been executed here. So if you come to here, this is buy. If you are a buyer in the market, this is sell if you want to sell in the market. Please, I think we are getting it right. If we are getting it right, please just type yes so that I will know. And if you are not getting it right, please type what you have not got right. If I'm too fast, please tell me I'm too fast, because you have to understand what I'm saying. I need a response. Thank you, Mr. Andrew. Okay, madam. Thank you. That is why I like asking questions. Madam, you see this red price? This red price, they are for sellers. All this column from top to down is called order book. This is where the traders place order, either buy or sell. Now, this order book is divided into 3. One, this red one are seller's price. People that have Bitcoin, they want to sell it. This green one this green price is for people that has Rand, that they want to buy Bitcoin. Now, the spread is the most the higher bidder, which is the buyer, the person that bid higher, which is 159,430. You are going to minus it from the supplier, the person who wants to sell the Bitcoin, which is 159,431. If you remove 159,430 from 159,431, the answer will be 1. So that is where they got it. Yes, the lower seller price minus the highest buyer's price. That is correct. So can I go on? Can I move on? Yeah. Okay. We can see time frame here. This is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, a day, 3 days, 7 days. So if you click here, 5 minutes, you are going to see charts on 5 minutes analysis. If you click 15 minutes, you are going to see 15-minute chart analysis, 30 minutes, and so on. But in most cases, daily limit is what price normally on. And having said this, we can have it in candle. You can have your graph in candle if you understand candle, how to analyze market with candle. You can use line. This is a line chart. We can use depth. This is a depth chart. So if you see this, something like this, is an advanced way of analyzing the market. But I'm going to talk more about this later. This shows that there are more sellers in the market more than buyers. That's the meaning. You see, more sellers than buyers in the market. So these are the kind of a thing that normally put the price down. If you have small buyer, you have higher seller, then the price of Bitcoin or price of market or price of Naira or price of dollar must go down because demand is low. So here you see a trading view. Trading view is a particular platform that we use to trade. We trade on it. You can analyze Bitcoin, you can analyze any trading instrument. So most exchanges normally use it. If I click it like this, you see how it looks like. If you see how it looks like. So from here, you can draw what you call support and resistance line. If you look at it, you can draw support and resistance line. You can give your line color. Yeah. If I say okay, you can see the line I drew now. It's red line. That means if price break it, you are going to anticipate that well, price has broke it, then maybe price Bitcoin will go up. But it's not always like that. We must look at some parameters. The same knowledge we are going to use when we are trading Forex. If you look at here now, see, if you look at here, this is a support. You can see support. These are support. These are strong support in the market. So that's how we use that place. So let's go back to Luno. Now, if you are buying, for example, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at this price. If I click on this red, you can see the price will turn there. You understand? Then I'll key in amount of Bitcoin I want to buy. Let's say 0.95. You see, or 98. Then it's going to tell me, okay, if I'm buying, I must be at buying here. Then if I want to buy, then it's going to tell me I will need to pay 156 Rand 424.338 cents. That is amount of Rand I must have in my account because I want to buy 0.98 at this market price. If you click on it, it will show here. If I click on this, it will show here. I think you are seeing my screen properly. And okay, Mr. Andrew, you say you are lost. Please, can you mention where you have lost, where you get it lost? Can you mention it quickly? Mr. Andrew? I'm I'm waiting for your response, Mr. Andrew. Are you fine, Mr. Andrew? Madam, are you hearing me? Just type yes if you are hearing me, and if everything is okay, just type yes. Okay, I've heard that, but I'm going to put this video on YouTube for revision. Excuse me. Hello. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Are you okay? You still don't hear me now. That is the network from your end. Everything is okay here. So what I'm going to do now, because Madam is hearing me, I think Madam is hearing me. So what I'm going to do, let me try if I can use WhatsApp call. You can't have 6 attendees. We only have 3. I have only 3 people in the house. Myself and 2, you and Madam. So what I'll do, let me try and call. You can do that, but I'll try and call all of you on WhatsApp. Just pick it up. Just pick the call up so that you can start using WhatsApp call. I'm already calling all of you now. But I'm recording the lecture so that you can check on it before next class as well. Is your WhatsApp ringing? Madam? Hello? Yeah, Madam is hearing me. That means your network is poor at your end. Yeah, pick it. So I will be using the 2. I'll be using the 2 to talk to you. You'll be hearing me on WhatsApp, or you are hearing me directly on the meeting application. Can I move on? Just say yes if you want me to move on. All right. Okay. So what I'm saying is, if you want to buy, you can click buy, and the price is going to show here. And if you can look at it now, you can see that this place has the price has reduced here, and the price has reduced here as well. So if you want to sell, you can key in, you can type sell. When you click this sell, that means you want to sell at the same price that we are seeing here. If you want to buy, you can click buy price, and the buy price will show here. But you can use your hand to type as well. You can see I'm typing. But the danger of typing is that if you go and mistakenly type, for example, let's say you have a Bitcoin and Bitcoin price is this, and you want to sell 1 Bitcoin. For example, let's say you want to sell 1 Bitcoin. And instead, if you type with your hand, instead of typing 159,180, and you now type 15,918, program will execute it, and you have lost big time. So that's why when you are typing, I normally tell people, pick the market price and add it. Let's say you want to sell 185. You just delete this last number and put 85 to avoid mistake. Because once you made a mistake, you can't revise it. I think are we getting it right? Hello? Are we getting what I'm saying right? Good. So, Mr. Andrew, are you getting it right? Yes, and change it and modify it. Either your price is up or down, you modify it. Don't try to type all the 6 digits because you can make the mistake. And the mistake you made, you can't reverse it because software trading platform will execute it. And you cannot recall. That means you have made big loss in that trade. That's the only mistake you can make trading Bitcoin. So having said that, let's try to check. That is the basic thing about Luno. Then the other thing is you come here, you check what are they trading. You see Bitcoin gold. They have put Bitcoin gold there. This is Bitcoin SGD. I don't know what they mean by SGD. This is Bitcoin Naira. This is Bitcoin Malaysia money. We have Bitcoin Ethereum. We have Ethereum ZAR. Then all these place settings, what are they doing is, hello? Okay. So all this place is when you open your account, you put your country, you put the level. You can see this account is level 3, fully verified, communication enabled. So all this one, you can see it in that tutorial on YouTube. It's already there. So I don't want to waste too much time explaining this because it's already on YouTube for you to consume. So let's quickly talk about AltcoinTrader. And I will now speak a bit about arbitrage trading. Then we call it a day. I want you to open the account before the next class. Check everything. Though the platform is a bit different because I did all my videos in 2017, especially on AltcoinTrader, but the idea is the same. So now, if you look at AltcoinTrader, if you look at here, you see your balance of Bitcoin here, and you see your balance of Rand beside it. That means if you are trading Bitcoin, if I click any other thing here, you can see all the assets they are trading. They have a lot of assets more than Luno. Let's say I pick Ethereum. Sorry, I need to log in again because I didn't touch it for a very long time. So let me quickly log in. Yes, it's going to ask for my second factor authenticator. Let me supply it. AltcoinTrader. That's the 8817361. Correct. Now, if you look at, let's say I click Ethereum, this place will change to Ethereum. You can see, and the Rand is fixed. Rand is fixed. So now they have home news about us, deposit, withdraw, history. Everything is explained inside the YouTube video I sent to you. So you can revisit that YouTube video so that we cannot waste too much time talking about those. So now what I'm going to explain now is interface we are looking now is basic interface. You can see the road basic. If I click advanced interface, it's taking us to the same trading view. You remember I showed you trading view when I was explaining Luno. So this is the trading view, but you can see that their own trading view doesn't give us analysis tools. There's no tools for you to analyze market. They just put it there. So, and when you click here, you go back to the, okay, this you can analyze here because this is an analysis tool here to check support and resistance in the market. You see. So let me change this one to red as I did last time. You see, you can do support and resistance, you can test, you can do analysis. All this we are going to use it during Forex. So you have to understand this very well. So I'm switching back to basic. Cryptocurrency doesn't need too much analysis. once you know the direction of the market, and I will teach you all the little information that you need to know to guide you how to place trade and execute trades. Now, let me go back to Bitcoin. So now, you see, if you look at altcoin trader, buy BTC, sell BTC. That means you can buy Bitcoin this side, you can sell Bitcoin this side. So, and if you want to buy Bitcoin this side, these are the seller. Sorry, if you want to sell Bitcoin this side, these are the buyers below it. You can see the arrangement is totally different from Luno. Because most of my students, they normally have problem about Luno and AltcoinTrader. So you have to just understand the basic concept. And here, if you are a buyer, you want to buy Bitcoin, the sellers are below you. For example, this seller, if I click on this seller wants to sell 160,000 Rand, 1 Bitcoin. You see, if I click on it, you click, that is the price. Then you can now put in how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 0.7 Bitcoin at this price, because this is the lowest sellers. Other sellers below it are higher. So the lower seller is up, and this one, they don't use what they call spread. They don't use spread. So when you put 0.575, they are telling you are going to pay $120,000 rands to execute the price, to execute this trade. And they are charging you a fee. You can see a fee. I forgot to tell us in Luno 2, they normally charge fee. But their fee is when you are a market taker. If you are a market taker, they charge you fee. If you are a market maker, you trade without fee, zero charge. The difference between market maker and market maker and market taker. Are you hearing me? The difference between market taker and market maker. If you place a trade and your price is listed either as a buyer or as a seller, your price is there waiting for execution, then you are a market maker. So you will not pay charges, you won't pay fee. The fee will be zero. But if you are the type that you just come to market and grab, let's say somebody wants to sell 158, you just click on it and quickly buy, then you are a market maker and you are a market taker. Then you pay 1% charge of the trading volume you did. So let it be at the back of your mind that for you to trade free on Luno, you must be a market maker. That means your price is listed in the market, waiting for buyer or seller, depend on which side are you. But if you are a market taker, somebody that just click the current price and buy, or click the current price and sell, then you are a market taker. Then you are going to be charged 1% of the market price. Is my explanation clear, madam? Pardon? Market maker. Why? For you to be a market maker, that means when you want to buy, you must put a price that is lower than this last price in sell as a buyer. That means you have to wait in the market. Then you are a market maker. Then if you are a market taker, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin and somebody wants to sell 158,833. You just click 158,833, you just buy immediately. You are a market taker. Then you pay 1% penalty fee. Is that clear? All those information are very important. That's why many people trade Bitcoin and they say they are losing, because every time they pay higher fee. So now let me go back to what do we call it? Let me go back to AltcoinTrader. AltcoinTrader will show you. In AltcoinTrader, we don't have market taker or market maker. Anytime you want to trade, you must pay charges. For example, look at what we are paying for buying 0.75 Bitcoin. We are going to pay this as our fee. If you calculate this, it should be around 0.6%. So now let's come to sell. Let's say look at the sell. This is the lowest buyer. You understand? If I click this price, it's gonna show here. Let me say I want to buy 0.656 Bitcoin. At this price, this person want to buy from me, and I want to sell. Now, if you see, I want to sell 0.56. The price is this. This is total amount. They will pay me. This total amount they will pay me. But if you look at this place, AltcoinTrader is going to charge me 333 rand 66 cents. And if you look at this compared to the price in the market, it's going to be around 0.6. Please, you have to take your time with calculator on your own and started practicing what I'm demonstrating for you, so that you can calculate how much are they charging you for each thing you are deciding to do. But I think it's 0.6. Now, why is logical in AltcoinTrader is that, remember, let me quickly pull out Notepad. Let me quickly pull out Notepad. Let's pull out Notepad and let's pull out calculator. So good. Remember now that when you are buying, you are charged 0.6%. When you are selling, you are charged 0.6%. That means if you are trading on AltcoinTrader, you are charging 0.62 times plus 0.6 is equal to plus 0.6 is equal to 0.6. You will get, that means you are paying 1.2% of your trade. You are going to pay, it's not 0.06, it should be around 0. Is it 0.06? Yes. No, 0.6 cannot be 6%. 0.6% is what they are charging. No. It's not. Okay, let's quickly do something. Don't confuse yourself. Okay, we want to buy, let's look at it here. I'm not going to rush. We want to buy 0.75. Yeah, we want to buy Bitcoin 0.75. And that, okay, let's use rand. We want to sell 0.56 Bitcoin at this price. And we are going to pay this. And this is our charges. Okay? These are our charges. That means we are going to look at 333.66. 33123.66 multiply by 100. Then we divide it by how did I calculate this thing? I used to calculate it for all my students. We need to divide it by 88976.16. Okay. Pardon? You have to multiply it by 100. No, you have to, because you are calculating percentage. 100 100 must be there. You must multiply by 100. That is how it is. Okay, let's do like this. How much is 3? Let me do like this. 333.66. How many percent is it to 88,976? No, it's not 00. AltcoinTrader doesn't charge 00. You see, this is the way I do my calculations, sir. This is what altcoin is charging me. Altcoin is charging me 333.66. I will need to multiply this by 100 first. It's giving me this, then I'll divide it by amount I'm paying. That's what it's going to give me. It's a straightforward thing. It's going to give me 0.3749%. That's what they are charging me. Do we understand it now? Yeah, but I love this one because it's direct. I want to multiply what I'm paying by 100 divided by my capital. Yeah, you can try it after the class. Try it several times and be sure. I think AltcoinTrader is coming down. In 2017, we are paying 0.8%. That's what makes me know very well. So now we must multiply this by 2 because that means we are paying 0.75 because you are going to multiply it by 2 because when you are buying, they are charging you. When you are selling, they are charging you. So anytime you want to trade on AltcoinTrader, remember to add 0.75 back to your profit. Otherwise, your profit, sometimes your trade will be turning to loss. Did you understand what I'm saying? They are charging you 0.75 approximation. So anytime you want to trade on this platform, AltcoinTrader, you must add, for example, let's say you want to make 1% of your trade, of your capital. Let's say you want to make 1%. You are calculating that, okay, this trade, I just need 1% profit. You cannot make it 1% again because you must add it that 1 point plus 0.75. Because if you do your 1%, remember that they charge you 0.75. That means your 1% is not more 1%, is 0.25. That's your profit now. Did you understand what I'm saying? Mr. Andrew. Mr. Andrew. Hello? That's the network. That's the network. Yeah. Yes. That will be your profit now. Your profit target now will be 1 plus 0.75. So that you can return what they have taken back, what they have taken as commission back to your own profit. Otherwise, if you just target 1%, you are not making 1% again. You are making 0.25%. Are we clear, madam? Good. Now, having knowing this, you can see the difference between AltcoinTrader and Luno. And this is trading history of AltcoinTrader. So far, I think on this platform, let me see, trade history. I think I should be able to see some things. If you look at what I've been trading on this platform, you can see 2017 up to date. They have chunked my, okay, they have not chunked, you see, from 2016. I will have traded more than 2 million rand on this platform. Very, very sure of that. I think Ethereum, I traded, you can see Ethereum, these are all my trades on Ethereum too. You can see 2016, 2017. I think Ripple, I trade Ripple always here as well. You can see 2019, 2018, 2017. I, for sure, I've traded up to 2 million, if I can remember vividly, on this platform. And on Luno, let me see my trade here. I will have traded up to 2 or 3 million here as well. So if you see, these are my trades. So everything I'm explaining here is what I've understand very well. Now, if you look at this this screen, you will see that I'm not charged for trade all this place. But if you look at this place, I'm charging. They charge me fee. That means I am a market taker in these two trades. That's why they charge 1% of my trade here, like I'm explaining to you. But if I'm a market maker, you can see my trading fee is 0. All this place I took from the market. I didn't wait. You see, did you see the practical example of what I'm saying? You can see fee. Yeah, you can see fee, and some you will not see fee. All this place you saw fee, I'm a market taker. All this place you didn't see any fee, I'm a market maker, like I'm explaining to you. Do we have any question so far? You can wait 1 year, you can wait 2 years, you can wait 1 minute, you can wait 1 second. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Andrew, did you get everything right? Good, sir. Good, sir. So the only thing left for me to explain, then we are going to stop this night. Please, before next class, always make sure I have many resources that I can advise you, putting the link on the group. Watch those resources, because if you are coming to the class, finishing the class, waiting for another class, there are many things you are going to miss along the way. So it will make you a professional in time. This is we call it distance learning now. So you have to do extra work a bit, but I'm here to assist. Now the only thing I want to explain now is what we call arbitrage trading. What is arbitrage trading? Arbitrage trading is the trading system whereby you buy from one platform, you go and sell it in another platform. Did we understand what I'm saying? Good. Look at the price here. Bitcoin price is 158,833 here. If we come to AltcoinTrader, home, see 159,999. If we look at the, let's pull our calculator up. 15999 159123. Now if you look at Luno, it's 158 minus 158 833. That means if you quickly buy 1 Bitcoin in Luno and you quickly go and sell it here, you are going to make this profit right now. That is arbitrage trading. That means you are comparing the price from 2 platforms. You quickly buy from one platform, you took it to another platform, you quickly sell. Many people, many of time I do that. But the only risk in that is that if blockchain doesn't deliver your Bitcoin in time, price might wait against you the other end where you are taking the Bitcoin to. Did we understand what I mean? Yeah, that's maximum. Sometimes you can take it and it's 1 second, sometimes 1 minute. It depends on how miners quickly process transfer, which is Q on the blockchain. Sometimes 1 minute is done, sometimes the whole day you are waiting. So that is the only reason why arbitrage is risky. But if for example, I've seen a situation whereby the difference between the two platforms is almost 5,000 rand. So I take all those chances. By the time you get to the other side, maybe it will be 3,000, 4,000. I'm still making good profit. It happens. But what I normally like doing is to do arbitrage between local platform and international platform. When we get there, I'm going to show you everything clearly. Trading is very interesting, and when you get into it, you will not like to do many business again. I won't lie to you. So this is the way we do arbitrage. So that is what we call arbitrage. Do we have any questions so far, Mr. Andrew? Thank you, sir. So what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to advise you to do is to check my YouTube. I'm going to go there now while we are on the screen. Do some practicals at your own. I'm going to send the link for you. So if you look at playlist, everything about Luno.
Welcome guys. Today
it's been there. Even how to install on the phone, it's been there. You can see I have 14 good lectures here. How display, interface, how to move money from bank, how to move money from Luno back to your bank account. Everything is here. So don't just, because if I said we should do everything with you online when you are in the class, it won't be suitable. So that's why I have all this prepared for all my students. Then if you are looking at, this is a playlist, if you are looking at AltcoinTrader, everything you need to know about AltcoinTrader is already here. I've done it about eight lectures. Understand the trading platform, how to open altcoin trading account, how to verify your account is here. The only thing that is changed on altcoin is,
good morning guys.
When I did this training, you can see their interface is different from the interface they have now. But that video will give you basic understanding of the platform, of the interface. Everything is still the same apart from the interface. So because next class, I will ask before next class, have you created your account? Have you verified it? Once your account is created, verified, we are going to deposit money into those accounts. You can deposit from 200 rand to 500 rand as amateur. I don't want you to risk any money. So I will be trading it. We'll be seeing it how I'm going to be explaining trading for you. How you are going to be positioning your money. Then that's why we start. And once we finish that, we now go back to international platform. How can you benefit from buying from China and sell in South Africa? Buying from China and go and sell it in Nigeria. So we are going to discuss that next class, because I don't want my class to be more than 45 minutes so that it won't bore you. Let's check something. Let me quickly show you some fast secret here. This is Nigerian Naira. One Bitcoin in Nigeria now is 3.6 million. Let's quickly check. Let me quickly show you something here, because you can trade across the board. You can trade and send your money to Nigeria, bring it back to South Africa. You can do it 3, 4, 5 times in a month and give you good return. So let's see. This is 3670003. What do you say, madam? Yes, you must have Luno Nigeria, but you know Luno doesn't allow people to have 2 accounts. So if you want to have Luno Nigeria, that means you have to carefully, maybe you use somebody else's account in Nigeria who is not you. Pardon? What did you say?
No, I said I've got Luno Nigeria.
Okay. Then you can do what I'm showing on the screen now.
I can't see that screen you're talking about. Okay.
Yeah, this is Naira.
You said that I should use somebody's account in Nigeria.
Somebody you trust, so that your money will not go.
I can see it now.
Yeah. So what happened is, in Nigeria now, one Bitcoin is 3.6 million, which I key in the calculator. And in South Africa, one Bitcoin is 158,000. So if I divide 3 million by 158,000, 33, that means exchange rate from Nigeria to South Africa now is 23.1. But if you go and meet people that do exchange rate now, that you have 3 million Nigeria, you want to bring it to South Africa, they will give you 20 Naira per rand. I mean, they will give you like 24 or 25 per rand. Did you understand what I'm saying? Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Good. That means by having this knowledge, you can do beyond trading yourself. You can do arbitrage by sending between two countries, by trading between two countries, in and out. That's what I'm trying to prove to you. So, because if you check today, if you want to send rand to Nigeria, I don't think they can even give you. Let me see. Let's quickly see that. Let me quickly check if I can be able to achieve that. Did I have the software on this platform? No. I don't have the software here. Maybe okay. Let me see. Let me see if I have the software. Okay, I don't have the software yet. I want to use the software to prove it to you how I used to do it. But okay, let me wait. I don't think, okay, I won't be able to achieve that. You can remind me. But yeah, the rate. What is the rate now? Do you have?
I have a Mama Money.
How much is Mama Money doing it for us now?
Just 1 second.
Are you with us, madam?
Are we going to try and send it?
What did you say, sir?
Are we going to try and send the 3.6 million?
Yes. Just try to send 158,000. That is what is on Luno.
Okay,
Yes, and let us know what it's going to give us.
158,833.
Yeah. Okay, let's say 5,000. Let's say 5,000.
5,000 rand.
Yeah.
We give you 115,265.71. The rate is 23.47.
The rate is 23.47.
Yeah.
Now 23.47. Now what is the charge?
89 rand.
Huh?
59.
59.
No, 89.
Okay, if charges is 89, that means you have to put the charges in what you are doing.
Okay, so it has to be 5,089.
Yeah.
Okay, 5,089.
What is giving up?
I will do 5,100. She said the amount was please not be more than 5,000.
No, when you can do one when you put 5,000 and use your calculator to calculate, you don't need to key it to mama money.
Okay.
Put 5,000, you will see exchange rate. Then put 100 on your calculator, divide it.
Okay, 5,089 divided by 2347.
Okay, let me give you as an assignment, guys, so that we don't waste too much more time. Madam,
Yeah.
you have to practice it. Practice what we are discussing.
Okay.
Yeah, and Mr. Andrew too will practice what we are discussing. But there's sometimes you can make up to 5% profit if you trade arbitrage, like I'm showing you now. So that's the purpose of letting you know how arbitrage works. You can trade between South Africa and Nigeria. You can trade between Luno and AltcoinTrader. And by the time you start practicing, you'll be enlarging your knowledge, expanding your knowledge on it. So I'm going to stop the class now. I think I'm recording this section. By this time tomorrow, I'll upload this class video. So, and I'll send the link onto the group. Should be in case you want to revise what we have discussed today. Especially where the screen is blurring or where you don't hear my voice. Are we okay?
Okay.
Yes. Good night and have a wonderful night. Yes. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Goodbye.